Hi guys! Welcome to Tiger Garage. So, new client today. Kakapitan natin ng Android head unit. Reklamo ng client, yung original head unit ng Montero natin is super simple. So, pwede ka mag-play ng songs ng radio, ng CD. Pero come on, it's 2023 na. Android na lahat ngayon. Gusto niya magkaroon ng YouTube, gusto niya magkaroon ng CarPlay, gusto niya magkaroon ng lahat ng latest features. So, ayusin natin yan ngayon, kakapitan natin ng Android head unit. So, I hope you're excited to join us in transforming this head unit ng 2017 Montero from the stock boring head unit into this new Android head unit. So, wait till you see. Let's go! Tapos ng installation natin, makikita nyo, every function works. YouTube, Facebook, Netflix, or all, basta think of it as a Android phone. So, lahat ng nagagawa ng Android phone mo, magagawa mo siya dito. And a little bit more, like for example, meron din siyang rear view cam. Pag nag-reverse ka, mag-activate yung rear view cam niya. Tapos, ang kagandahan niya ngayon, meron na rin siyang Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So ngayon si owner hindi niya na kailangan mag-cellphone, mag-navigation and mag-songs everything. Pwede niya basta pasok lang siya sa car, i-USB connect niya or wireless. Mag-activate niya yung kanyang Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So if you guys are interested in our head unit or any of our products, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye!